Ever feel like a pro traveler? Well, get ready to level up your airport navigation game with these advanced tips. First up, security checks. Prepare like a boss to breeze through those lines. And here's a secret. Wear slip-on shoes for a smooth shoe removal process. Trust me, it works. Now, let's talk terminals. Don't waste time getting lost. Use airport apps and shortcuts to navigate like a pro. I once saved precious minutes with an unconventional route during a tight connection. Lounge access? Yes, please. Discover how to enjoy premium lounges without flying first class. I stumbled upon a hidden gem with amazing facilities. Local transportation can be tricky, but fear not. I'll share the best modes of transport for cost, convenience, and time. Oh, and get ready for a travel adventure with a unique local transport option. Language barriers? No problem. Technology and smart strategies will help you overcome them. I once had a hilarious misunderstanding at a foreign airport, but it all worked out. So there you have it, seasoned travelers. Master these airport hacks and share your own in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and visit our blog for detailed guides. Happy travels!